Hey guys, it's Ravi with Canada Custom Auto Works in Grand Prairie. As you guys can see, we got some new hoodies. We haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm gonna try to see if we can keep on posting more and more content. I'm gonna go through our run through of this Chevy that we just finished up. This is a pretty sweet build that we just did for one of our really good customers, so let's get into it. Awesome guys, as you guys can see, this thing looks nasty. We are sitting on our 22x12 signature armed off-road Carnages, sitting on a -44 offset. We got them wrapped in some 37, 13.5, 22 RADAR Renegade MTs, ER7s there. And as you guys can see, it's not stock. We got an 8-inch BDS lift in this truck. So as you can see, it sits nice and high. Obviously, when you do this set of this aggressive an offset, you will have to do a little bit of trimming on the valence piece there. This truck is also equipped with air ride or air suspension in the back, so we got bags in the back there too. We did do some bushwhacker style Fender Flares on this guy. We got some trigger kickback mud flaps, and as you guys can see, it's also got airbags in the back too, just if this customer does ever haul his camper or anything like that. And we have these lines right there for hookup. We like doing them behind the gas cap, so it kind of keeps them away from the elements. Some customers do like having them put here near the back here too by the license plate, but awesome guys, and I'll wrap that video up there. Let us know if you guys ever need a hand with anything in regards to wheels, tires, suspension. We're at 8610 112th Street, Grand Prairie. Our phone number is right there, 780-532-0551.